Welcome back to the channel. Stop everything you are doing because the camper van industry just got flipped on its head. This isn't a van, and it definitely isn't a motorcycle. It is a three-wheeled spaceship that you can actually live in. I was skeptical when I first saw this gray beast rolling into the studio, but just look at the silhouette. While traditional petrol vans are bulky, loud, and expensive to fuel, this electric tricycle is whisper quiet and fits into spots a sprinter could only dream of. It feels like the future arrived early, but here is the real question. How did they fit a full living space into something with only 3 wheels? As we move to the side, you notice that massive glass door. It doesn't just open, it invites the entire outside world into your living room. The interior lighting is moody and warm, glowing against the dark upholstery. It feels less like a tent on wheels and more like a high-end boutique hotel. You can see the pilot seat sitting proud at the front, ready to take you across the coast without a single drop of petrol. Now you might be wondering about stability. Look at that rear wheel setup. It is wide, aggressive, and grounded. While a standard camper feels like driving a literal house, this looks like it would carve through city streets and winding mountain passes with surgical precision. Of course, no design is perfect. Because of that sleek, tapered front, your storage space is going to be a game of Tetris. You aren't bringing the kitchen sink on this trip. It is built for the minimalist who values freedom over hoarding gear. This is the ultimate escape pod for 2026. It challenges the idea that you need a massive engine to have a massive adventure. It is bold, it is a little bit strange, and it is exactly what the industry needs to wake up. Does this 3-wheeled revolution make you want to sell your house and hit the road? Or is it just too small for real life? Drop a comment below and let me know if you would trust those 3 wheels on a cross-country trek.